In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Sheets to PDF with Zapier in a simple step-by-step workflow. This is a great automation if you want to turn spreadsheet data into a PDF file without doing everything manually every single time. It can save you a lot of time, especially if you're creating reports, invoices, exports, or any kind of document from your Google Sheets data. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside Zapier, click on Create. This is where you start building a new automation. After that, click on Zap Workflows so you can make a new Zap. A Zap is just Zapier's automated workflow that connects your apps together. Now, you'll be taken into the Workflow Builder. The next step is to choose your trigger. Click on Trigger because every automation needs an event that starts the process. In the app search box, type Google Sheets and select it. This tells Zapier that your workflow will begin from Google Sheets. Next, choose the event for your trigger. In this case, select New Spreadsheet. That means the workflow will run whenever a new spreadsheet entry or spreadsheet-related event is created, depending on your setup. Then connect and log in to your Google account when prompted. This gives Zapier access to the Sheets data it needs to monitor. Once your account is connected, move on to the next part, which is the action. Click on Action, because this is the step that tells Zapier what to do with the information from Google Sheets. In the app search box, type Google Drive and select it. Google Drive is the app we'll use to handle the PDF export part of the process. Now choose the action event and select Export File. This is the key step that turns your sheet or connected file into a downloadable export format. After selecting that, log into your Google Drive account if Zapier asks you to. Once your Google Drive is connected, click Build It at the top. This tells Zapier to generate the workflow based on the trigger and action you selected. From there, review your setup carefully and make sure the correct Google Sheets source and export settings are in place. If anything looks off, go back and adjust it before testing. When everything looks good, click Test Run. This lets Zapier try the automation and confirms that it can successfully pull data from Google Sheets and export it through Google Drive. If the test works, you should see the output generated by the workflow. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Publish. Publishing your Zap activates the automation so it can run automatically whenever the trigger happens, and that's it. You've now set up Google Sheets to PDF conversion with Zapier. If you want a faster way to generate PDFs from spreadsheet data, this is a really useful automation to have in your workflow. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.